Hello everyone. You're welcome to another section of the course, another lecture of the course. Here I will be giving you a brief overview of the course, what you're expected to know, the things you're expected to grasp or understand at the end of the course. I'll give you the way the course is laid out. We'll start by introduction to stamped concrete, where we'll talk about what stamped concrete is, the technique, and what stamped concrete connotes, the floors, the surfaces that we refer to as stamped concrete. I'll introduce you to them. You will see what they look like. Then we'll move on to another lecture where we'll talk about understanding the concept of stamped concrete. Here we'll talk about what concept forms stamped concrete, what's behind stamped concrete. There's a technique or a concept behind which stamped concrete is built. If you understand the concept, it will be easier for you to follow through the course. So we will talk about the concept stamped concrete. We will now talk about the tools and how to source your tools regardless of wherever you are in the world. Places where you can easily get your tools. We'll talk about that, and you have to become familiar with the tools or equipment we use in making stamped concrete. Actually, the tools or equipment are items you can reuse and you use over and over and over again. Then we'll talk about the stamped concrete floor chemicals, stamped concrete floor materials. These are the perishables that you require on every project. You have to procure them on every project. I won't want to assume that everybody here understands or knows what concrete is about. So I'll also do you a quick section of concrete basics, and we'll move on to the steps to making stamped concrete floors. First of all, I will do a general overview of the whole process because I find that students get to understand quicker with that method of teaching. So I'll do a quick overview. Even if you don't grasp it at that point, just pay attention closely. I'll do a quick overview of the entire process of making stamped concrete. Then I will come back to the step-by-step process from step 1, step 2, step 3. Then we move on to the practical section where you can begin to do your projects while you are playing the video or while you are listening to me. You would complete the motions along with me, and you find out that it will be very, very simple. And at the end of this course, you would know how to do stamped concrete floors on your own. Amazing looking floors. These are hardened stamped concrete. You will know how to do these amazing floors at the end of this course. So just stick with me as we go through or follow through the course process, introduce you to stamped concrete, get you to understand the concept of stamped concrete, get you to know the tools and the equipment. It's not just enough to know the tools. I know I have students scattered all over the world in various parts. I'll tell you where to source the tools and equipment if you're in Africa, Asia, and wherever part of the world you are, how to source them, how to quickly get suppliers or sellers of those tools. And also, if you're interested in being a supplier of the tools used in making stamped concrete products, I'll also give you a link where you can reach out to the main manufacturers. That will require a form of capital to invest in bringing it down to you, but it's also a very good aspect to make more money and add to to get multiple streams of income as a seller or a reseller or a distributor of the products used in making stamped concrete floors. Because believe it or not, these products are catching up like wildfire. The stamped concrete, having stamped concrete floors are catching up like wildfire, and the demand for this product will soon be as much as the demand for cement. Because almost every project we want to have their exterior surfaces looking like this with time. And as we go on, as it becomes more popular, the demand also will increase in turn. So we'll just welcome to the course, and I wish you a very rewarding experience. Like I said on my previous slide, on the previous lecture, if you have any issues understanding, you have anything you need me to clarify, please feel free to reach out. And also, even if you have nothing to clarify, please, your feedback means a lot to me. So do well to leave a feedback either in the comment section of this video or on my social media page handles that I've shared with you in the previous lectures, or easily send me a mail. If you want to remain confidential, you can send me a mail on my social on my via my email address. Feel free to send me a mail, reach out. I want to know what this course is doing for you. Was it easy to understand? Was it difficult to understand? Please give me a feedback and rate this course for me. A honest rating, I would appreciate that a lot. Thank you very much, and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye for now.